Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be walking you through how to make moving photo video in Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to select videos right below the search bar. From here, you can select the dimension or the type of video that you'd like to create. Let's say I were to select 1920 by 1080px. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you now have a few options on how you can customize your photo video. For example, you can add a moving background, a moving photo background. To do this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Uploads. Then from there, you could tap on Upload Files and you could upload your photos that you'd like to use. For example, I'm going to be using a copyright-free photo, so I will select Elements. Then from there, you can select the photo you would like to use as your background. After adding the photo, you're going to simply tap on the three dots that says More. Then you're going to tap on Set Image as Background. Once you have added your background image, you're going to select the page. Then from the top navigation bar, you're going to tap on Animate. I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, scroll down until you see Photo Movement. Then from there, you can select any one of the three animations. So for example, I will be selecting this one, which is Photo Flow. Now after doing this, you want to tap on the page once more, and you're going to tap on the three dots, and you want to tap on Lock Background. So now that you have locked your background, you can add whichever photo or so on over your background, and it won't affect the background or the animation. So we can go over to the left-hand menu option once more. You could select Uploads, and from there you could upload a photo that you would like to add over this background. So for example, let's say I were to select Elements, and I'm just going to be using a random photo for example's sake. So just say this photo. Now to animate a photo, so you can see right here, and let's say I wanted to animate this photo so it would look like it is going across. All I would need to do is select the photo, then tap right where you'll see Photo Flow on my screen. Then from there, you can see the different animations that I can add by scrolling down. But if you would like to add a custom animation, you can tap on Create an Animation. Then after you have done that, for example, I want to pull it across to the left. I can simply pull it across to the left right there. So that will be my animation. Then I can cut down the speed, and I can also tap right where you see Movement Style, and I can steady it out, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Done. Now if we were to tap on Play, you can see right there the background is moving and also the photo as an animation. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on Add Page, we could add a second page. And another example that you could do is by tapping on Upload once more. You could select the images that you'd like to use. So let's say for example, I were to select, let's say baby, just for example's sake, and then we're going to tap on Photos, and you can see the different photos right here. You could select this photo for example's sake. After you have selected the photo, we could set it as background to take up the entire page. Then again, you could select the page or the photo, then tap where you see Photo Flow, and you can select the animation that you would like to use, as you can see right there. So we could select that animation, and you can see how it looks right there. Another thing you could also do is add a transition. So between each page, you could tap on Add Transition right here. Then you could add a transition if you want. So you can see the different transitions right there. So let's say I were to select that one. Now if I were to tap on Play, you can see how it looks right here. And now to save it, you will tap on Share in the top right hand corner, then select Download, then tap on Download. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.